it's Nia here, and today I'm going to read a book to you that I have recently wrote. It's called How to Make a Weird Heart. A thought hit my mind. How would I make a weird heart? I thought and I thought. I wrote down some examples. Here they are. Maybe this, or this, or this. I tried and I tried and I tried again and again to make, write, draw, illustrate the one. To me, it felt like seconds turned into minutes, minutes turned into hours, hours turned into days. It felt like days and days go by just for the one little weird heart. Then I dropped the pencil and said, I am done. After that, I sat down and thought, why am I, Natanya Julius, giving up on the one weird heart, waiting and waiting to be discovered? I think about the loneliness I would feel if I were that weird heart waiting to be discovered and loved. Then I pick up my pencil and draw. While I am drawing, I make a graph. Here it is. This heart equals a normal heart. This heart equals a fancy heart. This heart equals a small heart, and this heart equals a big heart. I keep adding and adding to the list until I hit blank equals weird heart. And I put in the blank question mark. I think and I think until my brain feels like a squashed grape. I stop, take a breath, and breathe. Inhale, exhale. Then I write on a piece of paper. Even though I am a skilled artist, I simply just can't draw a weird heart. After a few hours, I think about a book I read earlier. The message of the book was, everyone is unique. Nobody is perfect. Then I edited my paper, and this time I wrote, my artistic skill leaves me hanging with thousands of not the one weird hearts. I only now realized that my artistic skill left me hanging with thousands of weird hearts. I wrote in another piece of paper, we are not all alike. We are unique. Last but not least, we are all perfect in our own weird way. The end. If you're wondering why I wrote this book because many people in the world, they think that they have to be alike to another person to feel like known. And I say, you don't have to be alike to be fit in. You can be different but fit in the same way. So I say to everyone, good job for being different. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
I'm Natanya. I'm 10 years old.